Dawn and Ruby visit the beach with their animal classmates for a colorful day of fun. They are busy building their sandcastles. Dawn uses a red shovel and a blue bucket to build the castle base. Suddenly, a seagull swoops down, knocking over part of their sandcastle and scattering some toys. Instead of feeling discouraged, Dawn and Ruby use their own bodies to shield the sandcastle from harm. Dawn and Ruby smile and turn to the viewers, saying, "What's your favorite beach activity? Tell us in the comments." And if you enjoyed our adventure, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join us on our joyful journey.